Every sailor knows what this song means. It means Dion's about to go off. Classic Dion.
Bro, I'm trying to get that fist moving, bro.
You kept teasing it, but it wasn't biting, dude.
Careful, Dion. Careful, Dion. Bullet.
You gotta watch that bullet, Dion. You gotta watch
this
that.
game lucky this ain't Xenoverse, bro.
Bro, you played God of War. Listen, learn the patterns. Patterns, Dion.
I get the patterns. There's a lot going on, bitch.
There you go.
He's a gaming legend. How will he handle the second gauntlet? What's the moves, Dion? Careful, Dion. Careful, Dion. Careful, Dion. Let's go!